I'm Billy. Today, I'm gonna show you a whole bunch of brand new car charging devices by Capdase.
This is the Joystick Max. It is a very portable and flexible USB charger. Its 360-degree rotatable design fits even the most difficult angle. It also features a replaceable fuse for added protection. It has two USBs, offering 1 amp and 2 amp output respectively, so you can charge two devices at the same time. Besides the iPhone and iPod, the 2 amp output will also charge your iPad and almost all other mobile devices.
So, let's charge along.
Capdase, www.capdase.com